Ahoy Shipmates, Amy from Cruise Crazed Fam, and in this video we're going to talk about all things food on the Carnival Splendor. Let's check out everything there is to eat on this beautiful ship.
Cruise Crazed Fam, let's sail away, everywhere we wanna play, on the seas we roam so.
Now we're going to break this up into categories. We're going to talk about breakfast, lunch, dinner, late night bites, and if you're after something a little extra special, let's talk about specialty dining. Before we get stuck into these categories, let me just say there is plenty to eat from the moment you get on the Carnival Splendor. On embarkation day, I already know that you are hungry and you are ready to eat from the moment you get on that ship. So as soon as you have gone and done your muster, head to the Lido buffet, which is open from 11 a.m. till 3:30 p.m. But Guy's Burger Joint is open until 5:30 for you, so you can fuel yourself up ready for the sail away. I will say though, for you first time cruisers, that you might get a little bit overwhelmed on embarkation day. The buffet does get crazy busy and the lines at Guy's Burger Joint go forever, but trust me, it'll settle down throughout the cruise. Now don't stress if you can't take in all of this information because it's all right here on your Carnival Hub app. So make sure you've got this downloaded before you board the ship and it'll give you all of the information you need. Okay, so you made it through your first night of partying on the Carnival Splendor and now it is time for breakfast. Starting bright and early at 6:30 a.m, you've got continental breakfast on Lido deck until 7 a.m. Then from 7 a.m. till 10:30 a.m, the Lido buffet kicks off with all your faves: eggs, bacon, pancakes, fruit, and much more, so load those plates, shipmates. I will say though, bacon is only served every other day. I have a hack for that soon. One of my favourites on the Lido buffet for breakfast has to be the fresh made omelette, cooked right in front of you exactly the way you like them. Plus there is plenty of drink stations where you can grab an apple juice, tropical juice, or even just your favourite coffee or tea to start the day right. And if you're not a morning person like me, hit the late risers buffet from 8 a.m. till 11:30 a.m, also in the Lido. It's basically just a smaller version of the regular Lido buffet. But if you're after something with a little more service, check out Sea Day Brunch at the Gold Pearl restaurant from 8 a.m. till 11:30 a.m. It's perfect when you need a calmer start and you're not fully awake yet. And yes, there is bacon on the menu every single day here. You can still eat at the Gold Pearl restaurant on port days and some sea days from 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. For all the kids and kids at heart, make sure you book the Thing 1 and Thing 2 birthday breakfast on the last sea day of your cruise. Thing 1, Thing 2 and a few of their colourful friends will pop out to entertain you while you enjoy fun, creative and slightly wacky food creations. It's a playful way to start your morning at sea, and it's $22 for adults and $15 for kids. Fellow coffee lovers, if you need your caffeine fix or a little sweet treat to fuel the next round of ship exploring, Carnival has some great stops on board. First of all, the Java Blue Cafe. Your go-to for specialty barista-made coffees, iced lattes, frappes, hot chocolates, and even spiked coffee creations. Open 6:30 a.m. till 11 p.m, so you can grab your morning latte and your late night sweet treat all in one spot. If you're craving a fresh squeezed juice or looking for another place to pick up a delicious coffee, head over to Juice and Java. Open 7 a.m. till 6 p.m. There's great vibes, refreshing drinks, and the caffeine hit you need to keep the fun going. Alright, it's lunchtime and I know you're all hungry again. So let's head back to the Lido and explore your midday options. Alongside the daily rotating buffet dishes, Carnival gives you so many more extra spots to grab a bite. One of the most popular places on board is a Masala Tiger up on deck 10. It's a little bit hidden away, so once you go to the back of the buffet, you'll find these stairs. Head upstairs and there it is, serving bold Indian-inspired flavours, curries, meats, rice, and perfect if you like a little heat or spice in your life. Open 11 a.m. till 3:30 p.m. for lunch, which is free of charge, or for an additional cost for dinner, it's open 5 till 9:30 p.m. Mongolian wok, a build-your-own bowl stir-fry station where you choose your veggies, noodles, protein and sauces and they cook it up right in front of you. Open from 11 a.m. till 3:30 p.m. It's super popular, so get there early if you can. Carnival Deli. Fresh sandwiches and wraps made to order, great for a lighter snack or a quick grab and go. In saying that, the lines do get really long, so pack your patience or get there early. Open from 11 a.m. till 5:30 p.m. If you're a seafood lover, you can't go past Seafood Shack. Open 11 a.m. till 5 p.m. It's a casual New England style spot and enjoy fresh oysters, lobster rolls, snow crabs and more. Just keep in mind this is an additional charge. So this seems to be new. I haven't seen the wings before. So it looks like you can get 24 wings, 20 wings, 15 wings, 10, 6. So you can purchase wings. We've got different sauces here as well. For all those Mediterranean food lovers, check out Mad Sizzle. They serve up an array of mouth-watering kebabs, satay and succulent spit roast meats. Mad Sizzle is open from 11 a.m. till 9 p.m. daily and does come at an additional cost. Now for a legendary Carnival favourite, Guy's Burger Joint. Smash-style burgers, hand-cut fries and a topping bar to choose all of your favourite toppings and make the burger your own. It's open from 12 p.m. till 5:30 p.m. and yes, you will want more than one on this cruise. First Guy's Burgers for the cruise. I got the ringer. What did you get, Lyra? And don't forget your all-day essentials. Pizzeria Del Capitano, open from 9 a.m. till midnight. Fresh baked pizzas all day because breakfast pizza on a cruise is absolutely a thing, and we support that choice. And of course, the soft serve ice cream open 11 a.m. till midnight, so you can help yourself to some unlimited cones and swirls. Perfect for a hot sea day. Well, let's be honest, anytime. Because honestly, if you're not eating every few hours on a cruise, are you even cruising right? Right? Alright fam, let's talk dinner on the Carnival Splendor. Because the fun doesn't stop when the sun goes down, the food just gets better. First up, the main dining rooms. You've got early dining at 5:15 and late dining at 7:45 in the Gold Pearl restaurant. Perfect if you love consistent time and your favourite waiters who already know your dietary requirements and your drink order. Or if you prefer to eat on your schedule, go for your time dining in the Black Pearl restaurant. Just check in on the app, and when your table's ready, head down to be seated. Now let's talk food. The menu changes every night, and sometimes it even matches the theme of the evening's entertainment, which makes it feel that little bit extra special. Think elegant nights, island nights, the vibes are all vibing. You can order 2 entrees and 2 meals as a part of your dining experience. And if you're feeling extra, which we always love, you can even go for a 3rd main for only $7. Go big, go bold, go cruise appetite. And the wait staff, absolute superstars. They're not only attentive and full of personality, but they also bring the entertainment. Every night they do showtime. The lights change, the music starts, napkins are flying, and suddenly you're in a singing and dancing dining room spectacular. And if you're celebrating a special occasion, birthday, anniversary, whatever the occasion, be prepared. You will be fussed all over, celebrated, and maybe a teeny bit embarrassed, in the best possible way. They will sing, they will dance, and they'll make you feel like cruise royalty. Dinner on board isn't just a meal, it's a whole experience. And yes, get the melting chocolate cake every night. Trust the process. If you're after something a little more casual than the main dining room, head on up to the Lido Buffet. The buffet offers rotating selections that's very similar to what you'll find in the main dining room. So if you're chasing those same mains, but with a more relaxed, come-as-you-are type vibe, then this is your spot. No reservations, no specific dining times, just walk in and eat when you're ready. In the Lido Buffet, you'll find a few extra upcharge options for dinner. So first up, Chopsticks and More. Located at Mongolian Wok, Chopsticks and More is a hotspot for sushi rolls, noodle soups, dim sum and other Asian-inspired favourites. Open from 5 p.m. till 9 p.m. for an additional cost. Other upcharge dinner options include Mad Sizzle, Seafood Shack and Masala Tiger. But if you're looking to treat yourself to something extra special, check out Fahrenheit 555 Steakhouse. Located on Deck 11 aft, looking over the Lido Buffet, this is Carnival's premium dining experience. A full 3-course meal cooked exactly how you like it. It's $77 per adult or $23 per child. Pro tip, on the first night, they offer half-price bottles of wine or champagne. And if you want to go extra VIP, check out the Chef's Table. This is the most exclusive dining experience on board. Only 16 guests held in a private space. You'll enjoy welcome cocktails and hors d'oeuvres, a behind-the-scenes look in the galley, a multi-course dinner with dishes you won't find anywhere else on the ship. It's $165 per person. It's indulgent, immersive, and absolutely unforgettable. Now, if you've had a little bit too much fun partying in the evening and you're getting hungry again, don't stress, because you've got late night snacks at the Lido restaurant. Available from 11 p.m. till 12:30 a.m., offering light bites to keep you satisfied, ready for a good night's rest to do it all again the next day. Late night buffet. do you got? We got hot dogs and chips and drinks. And don't forget, if you're too comfy to leave the cabin, no worries. Just jump on the Carnival Hub app and order room service straight to your door. Charges apply, but breakfast in bed or midnight snacks, totally worth it. So there you have it. That is everything to eat on the Carnival Splendor. As you can see, there is plenty of food options available, so you will never go hungry. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel for more information. And if you haven't yet, check out my full ship tour. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to catching you in the next one.
Like and subscribe.